Morning, folks. It's 8:55 on Thursday, and because it's Thursday, it's claims day. Initial claims were down 19,000 to 793,000. This follows an upward revision to last week, which is why these numbers are not as meaningful as they could be. They're constantly being changed in both directions. That moved up to 856,500. Continuing claims were 4.5 million. I don't know what the change on that was, but it was expected to be 4.7 million. Around the world, Asia is light. It's holiday there, and Europe is slightly higher on the strength in our market. The chart on the screen, of course, is Bitcoin. Made another new high today, 49,035. The high 2 days ago was 48,885. So that just keeps on going. But there was news on it this morning, and that was that BNY Mellon and MasterCard are going to allow cryptos for buying things, for paying bills, etc. It's a little bit off, probably the end of this year, but nonetheless, that was their statement. AstraZeneca earnings, fourth quarter profit, 300% up. And that's based on a cancer drug that they have. There is talk that Microsoft and Pinterest were having conversations about some sort of a business combination. They were a little sketchy as to whether that was just a strategic alliance or whether it was an outright buy. Uber down 228, 60, 90, another disappointing set of numbers. They beat slightly on earnings, missed on revenues, missed on bookings, missed on profits for food delivery, even though their contacts for that were up 130%, and yet the stock is trading 86 up 4, 60, 90 down 228. Best Buy is talking about cutting in-store jobs. Also, another Microsoft issue. Looks like Microsoft has been tapped by Volkswagen to do an autonomous driving vehicle. Royal Dutch Shell, which we don't hear about too much here, but is a huge company, is going to be selling off some businesses in order to go and become greener. PepsiCo beat top and bottom line. Nobody cared. 137.98 up 28 cents. And Bumble, the dating app, is going public. The IPO was priced last night at $43. So we'll see how that goes. I also want to mention the pot stocks. We have Tilray, which came from about $4 at the end of last year and traded up to as high as 77 yesterday, and closed in the 71 area. This morning was as high as 75 and is currently trading at 59.45. So a well-needed decline and consolidation. Same thing, CGC has come from 25 to 56. This morning it was trading 54. It's now trading 48.70, and that's down 370. These stocks became the darlings of Reddit yesterday and the day before, and so that was very helpful. Again, they all had short positions. CGC doesn't bother me at all. The fact is, it never really got hurt as badly as the others, and the reason for that is because they have a really solid partner who has put in, I don't remember whether the number is $5 or $6 billion into the company, and that was STZ, Constellation Brands. So that one has been well supported. The S&P is up about 12. Dow is now up about 60, and the Nasdaq is up about 65. So have a good day. Be careful out there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. And I'm starting to get a few more inquiries about futures trading now that we've seen it for the last 2 weeks in Barron's, talking about the metals, talking about the grains, talking about the lumber. All of these things are covered in my weekly letter. And as most of you know from hearing about this, we do have a really excellent trader, Dennis Marlowe, who, in fact, we did an interview last weekend, and it's difficult to get it converted without paying $1,200 a year to be a member at Zoom Business. But I'm working on it, and I should have it by tomorrow or Sunday. Have a good one.